Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we are going to be doing southern fried chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to make a nice sandwich out of this. So, southern fried chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is what we got. We got three just small chicken breasts. This is what we got here. And anyway, so what you're going to want to do, the key to this, because we're doing the Blackstone, is you're going to want to cut these pretty thin. So out of this piece we're probably going to get, well, at least two. Make sure you have a sharp knife. And we just want some good, there we go. Perfect. Alright, so this is the size that you want. Fairly thin. And along with this as well. So anyway, I'm going to cut the rest of these up and we're going to season them. Okay, we got them all cut up into nice thin pieces. Now we're just going to season them. Use whatever you want. I'm just going to use some Cosmos Q Texas beef. Yeah, it says beef, but whatever. It goes good on everything. And some Zatarain's blackened seasoning. So let's go ahead and just season all this up, both sides. Okay, we got them all seasoned up. I just got a little bowl here. Put all your chicken into your bowl. Now we got all the chicken in the bowl. Let's go ahead and add some buttermilk. Alright, I'm going to take this inside. I'm going to stir it around a little bit and then throw a lid on it like this and stick it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then we'll see you then. Okay guys, I couldn't actually let it go for 2 full hours in the fridge because it's going to start getting dark soon. Anyway, the better the longer. You can let this marinate overnight. 12, 18, 24 hours, the longer the better. So anyway, it was only about an hour. So what we're going to do now, dig in what we got here. And that's what we got. We got our flour mixture here, which I got 1.5 cups of flour, a tablespoon each of black pepper, garlic, salt, onion powder, and I'll leave the information in the link below. So all you want to do, go ahead and get some flour on it. Alright, till they're all nice and coated just like that. Set them on your plate, and we're going to finish the rest of these. Okay guys, we've got everything breaded up. Buttermilk, flour, all the seasonings. I'm going to go light the Blackstone up. Taking about 5, maybe 10 minutes. We'll see you at the Blackstone. Okay guys, we're at the griddle, and we're going to check the temperature. Let's see what we got here. Oh, on the middle. 348, 350. A little cool over there. Perfect. So I'm gonna turn this, turn it on low and throw some oil on. Now I'm just using regular vegetable oil. You want to get a decent amount on there. Okay, we've had the oil on probably about 4 or 5 minutes, and it should be warm enough to go ahead and put the chicken on. Let's go ahead and put the chicken on. All right, nice low sizzle. It's not super hot. You don't want it super hot. You don't want to burn them. So Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give this about 3 minutes and check it. We'll bring you back in a minute. Okay guys, it's actually been 7 minutes, so what I'm gonna do is I just checked and they're looking good. I mean, they're looking awesome. So I'm gonna set these off to the side over here. I'm only using the 2 burners on the left. Oh yeah, slides right. And I'm going to gather some of this oil and move it around. Throw the oil right back in the middle where you want to cook. There we go. I'm just going to take it from here, flip them over. Alright, so we're about 7 minutes in, and then I'll bring you close and you can see kind of what this looks like so far. And I don't know, probably another 7 minutes or so, and we'll check it. Okay guys, it's been another about 8 minutes. We're looking at 15 minutes total cook time. I'm going to take an internal temperature of all these. And as you can see, we're well past 165 where you want to be. These things are done. Okay, we're finished. I'm going to go ahead and pull this chicken off, and then we'll see you over at the cutting board. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. Here's all of our chicken. I mean, look at that. Looks pretty dang good to me. So let's go ahead and build this sandwich for you. I'm going to set this aside, and we just got a bun. I got some mayo and sriracha. We're putting on both the sides of this bun here. And let's go in with this piece of chicken. Yeah, looks good. And actually, I'm going to switch it up real quick. I got an idea. I'm going to go a couple pieces of tomato there. I'm going to go a little bit of lettuce there. And then, top of that, we've got another small piece of chicken over here. I'm going to throw on top. And I think that should just about do it, actually. Another couple tomatoes. Another leaf of lettuce, why not? Going all in. And I don't know. It's kind of what we're looking at. So anyway, that's going to be the burger. We'll go ahead and bring you back for a taste test. Alright guys, we're finished with the cook. Once again, we're in Arizona. It was 112 degrees today, so I am hot, and the Blackstone is super hot. But anyway, we finished the video and the sandwich. Let's just see. It's a good look here. Well, double chicken is what it was. You got chicken there. There's chicken on top. Anyway, you see me put it together, so I want to take a bite of this thing. That is phenomenal. Oh, that's so dang good. So anyway, that's how you do southern fried chicken. Make a sandwich out of it on the Blackstone Griddle. So, excuse me guys, anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Check out the other videos in the iCard. And there'll be some other videos popping up as well. So with that being said, I'm definitely going to enjoy the rest of this, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.